Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, May 29th, 2009. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 65 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right at 909.75 and we were setting up for a half gap fill, and we actually got an immediate entry, and that trade produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside, filled our half gap for 9 ticks. After that half gap was filled, we had a very abrupt move to the upside, got a very slight pullback, got an opportunity to get long just above the open here, and we got our first contract off but got stopped out of our second for a negative 2 tick loss on that. And then immediately after that we had a fast move to the downside with a pullback opportunity to get short, again right underneath that half gap closed, and then that produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 17 ticks. Now mind you, these 3 trades all happened in the span of about 15 minutes, the first 15 minutes of the morning. It was very fast action, and after that things died down a little bit and became a little more methodical. We got an opportunity as we went down and filled our full gap, went down and tested our overnight lows, got a little bit of a bounce off those lows, crossed through our moving average, got an opportunity for a signal to go long as we pulled back towards that closing price of yesterday, and that actually produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 10 ticks. So as of this point, we were having a great morning, things were moving along fine, and then right before lunch we got an opportunity at 11 o'clock. We had this pullback, again pulled back underneath our moving average, got an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 was hit for 14 ticks to the downside. So we got into our lunchtime dead zone here at 11:30 to 1:15, where we do not take any trades, but there was a setup coming right out of the lunchtime that fired immediately at right about 1:17 or so, and that pullback to the moving average actually went back up to the opening price of the day for 2 ticks for another, for targets 1 and targets 2 for an additional 9 ticks. And then finally, right before, right after 2:30, we had a breakdown through our moving average, pulled back underneath a previous resistance level, got an opportunity to get short. Targets 1 and targets 2, 7 or 8 ticks depending on your entry, and then the market went down and again went down to the closing price of yesterday and down toward the overnight session lows. And then we were done. We stopped trading at 3 o'clock, and really the fireworks started happening at 3. It's a good thing we might not have been in there, but there was a huge market move. So for us, we ended the day right there for 7 trades. Great day at 65 ES ticks. But I'll just show you the chart here. After 3 o'clock, we crossed back up through our moving average, got a pullback, would have had an entry signal, but this thing just went screaming up. I think it made like between 3:30 and 4 o'clock, it moved over 20 points to the upside. So the market just went screaming higher. But we did not partake in any of that because we stopped at 3 o'clock. And matter of fact, Friday afternoon trading is always dangerous. I always like to recommend that the folks in our room not trade on Friday afternoons, just because it's usually a little more volatile, and being the last day of the month, it definitely proved to be today. So anyway, great day today, 7 trades, 65 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.